And this victory for gun reform advocates comes just hours after a major victory for gun rights supporters in the Supreme Court today. A 6-3 decision will have the effect of making all sorts of regulations across the country vulnerable to new legal challenges.
CBS 4's Trish Christakis has reaction to the ruling, including from a Parkland student and from Governor Ron DeSantis. Trish?
Lauren Elliott, this ruling allows Americans to carry firearms in public for self-defense after justices said the New York state law conflicts with the Second Amendment. Now, one high school student who survived the Stoneman Douglas shooting says this felt like a step back.
First emotion I felt was just hopelessness. And I think the whole concept of not having control over such a large decision can be really disappointing for survivors like myself.
The ruling on Thursday hit Zoe Weissman, a Stoneman Douglas shooting survivor, hard. This ruling allowing Americans to carry firearms in public for self-defense, Weissman is afraid could lead to more people becoming legally armed.
We just want to have restrictions so that the wrong people aren't having that power and therefore making it more likely for shootings to occur.
The law restricted those who could obtain a permit to carry a gun in public. The AP is reporting that California, Hawaii, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, and Rhode Island all have laws similar to New York's, which they say are expected to quickly be changed. Governor Ron DeSantis in favor of that decision.
I think it was a great decision by Justice Thomas. In Florida, I think the debate has really been on not necessarily open carry as much as what they call constitutional carry, but I think the issue is what you don't want is to have a government bureaucrat stymie your ability to exercise your constitutional rights.
President Joe Biden released a statement saying he's disappointed, and in wake of the attacks in Buffalo and Uvalde, he says in part, we must do more as a society, not less, to protect our fellow Americans. Something Weissman echoes after the trauma she experienced at Stoneman Douglas.
I heard and saw a lot of things that no 12-year-olds would have to see, but you don't have control over the decisions that control your own life. That's incredibly depressing and disappointing for someone who's been through what the court is effectively enabling with this decision.
Now, she continued to say that although this felt like a step back, she's more determined now to help create change so that students like her don't have to experience the trauma that she did. In the studio, Trish Christakis, CBS 4 News Tonight.